Yeah.
Broke the latch.
Yep. Nice.
I get a demo for this thing,
And it's just ran on this.
Can I come in?
Yep, absolutely.
Hello. Woo. Is this the baby boom baby?
Yep.
All right.
Yep, got a single platinum resilient sound 15 back there.
Okay.
It's on a 3.5K DC amp. I got a 280 Brand X all hooked to a 30AH C-Max.
Yep.
I got a 3-cube box with a side port, one of those like slip ports.
Okay.
It's tuned to 32 hertz.
Yep. Have you metered it?
Yeah, it's kind of. In the seat, it does 44.2, so
Okay.
it ain't real loud.
Yep. Is it a 1 ohm on the amp, the DC?
It's actually 0.5.
Okay.
I've never been able to get DC to do its power unless I wire it down.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what it is about DC.
All right. What's your name?
Angie, how are you?
Angie. Nice to meet Angie.
That's
Okay.
my wife, Angie.
Okay.
Angie, this is Jacob from JacobViral's videos.
Yes, ma'am. And you did all the work? A lot of stickers. Wow, y'all got a lot of shows.
Now, I've had a lot of people's hands in this build.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, I've we've done a lot of different things, but a lot of mostly done by friends and.
Yeah. Woo. Can I see the back real quick?
Yes. I have to tie a string to my latch thing, so
Yeah.
I broke the latch.
Yep. Nice.
I get a demo for this thing,
And it's just ran on this, just that much power.
Just is it the 30 you said?
Yeah, just a 30 on a 280.
Wow.
I set at 14.8, 14.9, dropped to 14.4, 14.5.
Okay. Wow. Awesome. Thanks, man. You have a good day.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Nice to meet you. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.